Let's think about Hebrews, where it says that Jesus said, who for the joy set before him endured the cross. You know what that looks like? It looks like he's facing the worst devastation in his life, but he doesn't put his attention on the devastation. He puts his focus on the restoration. He puts his focus on what God has promised. And sometimes in our lives, we've got to start looking at those things that are the most important, which are not the things right in our face. They're the things that God is going to bring into our destiny. I was thinking about this the other day, and this phrase came to my mind: where there's no devastation, there's no need for restoration. So some of you who've been walking through devastation, it's all good. You're going to get through, and you're going to make it all the way through to where you'll experience the restoration of the Lord. A few years ago, believe it or not, I used to do martial arts. I don't like talking about that because the fact that I was involved in it resulted in the fact that I understood that that stuff can have all kinds of critters or demons, for those of you who need a more biblical term. And I had to be delivered from some of that stuff because it got into me in various ways. Just as things get into people in various ways today, through things that years ago we knew was new age, we knew it was wrong, we knew it was sinful, we knew it was horrible behavior, and now it's kind of become acceptable. It's not acceptable, but nevertheless people do that. But back to my story. When I was doing karate, there was one good thing I did learn. I remember when we would break things, when we would break boards or bricks. One of the biggest things I understood was I didn't want to hit the brick or hit the board. I actually wanted to hit the floor beyond the board. I wanted to hit whoever was holding it beyond the boards that were there or the bricks that were there. And so there was something good, something that came out productive in my life, because I've thought about that many times prior to conferences that the budgets are insane, or prior to things that God's asked me to do that are really hard, they're really difficult, they're serious stress times. That what I realize is that all I have to do is not look at what it is. I have to look beyond it. So for conferences, I remember many times we go, it's all right. Monday's coming and it'll all be done and God will pay for everything. It'll all be good. So today, let me just let you know, stop looking at what you're looking at and start looking beyond at what Jesus has for you coming, because it's good. It's finished. He's already standing at the finish line. So walk strong. Be excited about what you're going through. It's just building you. It's growing you. You have an awesome day.